welcome you all to my channel. Today I am here to share with you one of my hobbies, and that is I love collecting keyrings. So if you like my keyring collection, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, then go and subscribe it, and also press the bell icon to be notified for all my upcoming videos. So let's go to the video without any delay. These are the collections of my keyrings. Most of them are given by someone or the other because they know that I love collecting them. So I'll show one by one all of them to you all. I will even say who gave and from where I got it. This is the oldest keyring I have got. Y'all can guess it by seeing the condition of it. See, some of the colors are all out from here. This keyring was gifted to me by my buddy Ma. These keyrings are given by my maternal grandmother. She had gone to a place for picnic and over there she found these keyrings, so she has got it for me. All 5 of them contains light in it. I'll show you. Oh, the battery of it got damaged, I guess. Need to change it. This one is not working. See. All contains light in it. Wait, I'll darken my room so that these lights can be seen properly. Wow, it looks so beautiful. All lights lit up together. These keyrings are also given by my maternal grandmother. This is actually a dog. It's very fluffy and it's so smooth. So cute. And here you have the shank. She gifted me too, did not even realize maybe. These keyrings are given by another grandmother. I call her Kali because she lives in Kali Ghat. This is a Taj Mahal. When we went to Agra, from there she has bought this. I don't know from where she has got this. But there was a liquid inside it, red liquid, which dried up. I don't know what it contained, that liquid. What was it? This keyring contains my name. And here is a puppy. I love dogs. In fact, I love all kind of animals. And this keyring she got it from Mayapur. These keyrings are gifted by my friends. This first keyring, it contains my friend's name. One side, I guess you all can see it. It contains my friend's name, Payal, and on the other side it contains my name, Tiasha. And this keyring and this keyring both are from Rajasthan. These two are from Rajasthan. I don't know from where this keyring was bought, and this also I don't know, and these two also I don't know from where it was got. Y'all can see this keyring is made of clay and it contains Rajasthani handwork in it. It also contains that mirrored work. this also. Now I'll go for the next one. In my school we used to have hunger campaigns, and over there we had games. So these three are from there. I have won in those games, and from there I have got this. Among them, this is the favorite. It is a shoe. I love this one. And it's a blue heart. In my school days, I was in Blue House. And finally comes the key rings, which are bought by me. This key ring I have got from Murshidabad, and this one a store near my school. And this one was actually this, I have bought it for my mother on Mother's Day. I have given it to her, but then later on she said, as you are collecting the key rings, then take this also in your collection. So she gave it back to me, and this I got when we went to Andaman. We got it from there. Among this huge collection, only 4 I have bought it by myself. I don't know these can be considered as a key rings or not, but I had it in my collection as key rings. Actually you can use it as one of them. Actually it contained lollipop inside it. You can open it up. When I was a kid, I wanted to have these just to collect them, not to actually eat, just to collect. All of them look so cute. This is the Shaun the Sheep. You have the frog here. This one is from Power Ranger. I used to love watching it. And this is Minnie. So here I come to the end of my collection. I hope you all enjoyed it.